Good morning, everybody. This is Todd with the Forex Nitty Gritty Insiders Daily video. Midweek this week, and we have seen some pretty good movements in the market. Some consistent movements and some really inconsistent movements. We did have housing starts come out this morning here in the U.S., which were just about right where the forecast was. Tonight, probably the most important thing is going to be the yen's press conference, the Bank of Japan, and their overnight call rate. That will be interesting to watch if you trade the yen or if you have positions in the yen. You should at least be aware of that, making sure that you're not caught in a situation that you're not prepared for. So we've got that going on. The U.S. stock markets have been pretty strong as of late, and as we look at the fiscal cliff, the hopes that the issue gets settled here pretty soon is what's causing the markets to be strong. And right now, pre-markets, before the markets are opened here, we've got the Dow and the NASDAQ and the S&P 500 all moving in the positive territory. So we'll probably see the markets move up over the next little bit here as the markets open. Gold still down. It's down 1667, and oil is up a little bit to 88. So that's kind of what's happening on that front. Now, as far as looking at the various currency pairs, I've got the US CAD up here, and you can see the big movement that we had here. Real strong move to the upside over the last hour and a half or so. We've got the US Japanese yen moving up nice and strong here. As we look at identifying setups for the simple trading method, this is a nice looking pattern that we're seeing here. And if we put onto this some type of a moving average, we'll do the 40 period simple moving average. We can see that it's confirming that direction. It's moving up. And so what we want to look for here, obviously, is those pullbacks as it moves back counter to the trend, and then look to get in as it moves above, in this case, the HH3. So these pullbacks are important. Now, right now, we aren't at a pullback. We need to see this pullback and then wait for it to give us the setup to get in. And on a 15-minute chart, that can happen, without too much time passing. We get to see these pulling back. The pound dollar, again, big move up as of late. And take a look at what's happening here. We're getting that pullback right down to here. So we want to look for this to roll up and move higher. Now, the highest high of the last three right now is right here. So it's going to be a little bit of time before it moves up to that. But as these candles start to be created, we're going to find opportunities to get into this. We just got a new one here, and so if we get a couple of more, we're going to have our entry if it begins to move back up again. US Swiss franc, nice deliberate downward movements, looking for those pullbacks towards the moving average, counter trend, and then look to get in. This is pulling back here. Our entry would be kind of at the lows here. Aussie dollar, big drop here on the Aussie dollar today. And so we need to see this pull back up towards the moving average before we have something there. And the euro dollar, you can see that we're pulling back here. Highest high of the last three is up in this area here. So we're going to look for those and watch for those opportunities to get into it. Now that's going to be regardless of the time period. Here's a 5-minute chart. Our entry would be up in this area here. So take some time to determine the time period that you're looking to trade, and then look for opportunities to get in as it begins to move back in the direction, following the rules of the simple trading method, and remembering that we are in holiday trading and things can get a little bit choppy. So until tomorrow, everybody have a great day, and we will talk to you soon.